Okay, in today's tutorial, we'll be looking at this particular effect, image effect. So what we can do is we can type in zigzag and we'll choose that one. So just click it and place it on the page. You can enlarge it and we're going to duplicate it. Once it's duplicated, we adjust it so that it's aligned correctly. And since it's already selected, we can go up to transparency and bring it down to about 34. We can do the same to the next one. Just click it to select it and bring it down to 34. The next thing we're going to do is to go to text and we're going to add a heading, and let's just type in the word fashion. We can just enlarge it a bit, go up to fonts, and let's choose horizon. As you can see, it's a bit big, so let's just make it smaller and adjust it to how we want it. We can also center it on the page. Next we go to elements and we're going to type in model. We're going to choose photos, and as usual I'm going to go up to the filters and I'm going to choose free images. As I've already used the image previously, I'm just going to go to elements and I'm going to choose the same one that I used earlier. I'm just going to use the same one I used earlier. I'll click it, go to edit photo and remove the background. I just want the picture of the woman, so I'm going to adjust it to how I want it. Just going to enlarge it a bit, and I'm just going to rotate it just a little bit. I'll position it to how I want it. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click the heading and I'm going to change the color from black to red. Now as you can see, this image is at the back, so what we have to do is we have to duplicate it. Once it's duplicated, align it to the previous image. Just bring it nearer and you can see, and then you just adjust it so that it shows the way you want it to be seen. Now for this one, you can see that one of her leg is outside of the S. But let's say you want to have her body coming out of the letter S. So you're going to duplicate it again and then adjust it once more. Now let's look at it. As you can see, the model is between the S and the H. I hope you like it. If you did, please do share, like and subscribe.